Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did introduce myself quickly in our last video. So again, if you are new to our channel, my name's Stacy and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my weight loss journey. And then we can touch base on some fun, interesting topics that is of value to others as well as we continue on. So today I thought I would just talk quickly about why did I choose weight loss surgery? Why didn't I just, try to lose weight with other diets? Well, the reality is I did. I tried. I tried all of the different diets and I would lose about 20, 25 pounds. That was always my sweet spot. And then that was it. I would stall and I would get defeated and then I would never be able to lose beyond that. So starting at around 245, 247, that would put me down, about 220, which at 5'3" still put me in the obese range. I never was able to get to a lower weight. When I started this journey, I started at about 242 pounds, and my goal weight at that time was 165 pounds. I surpassed that and I'm now down to 135 pounds and I've been holding steady for about three and a half months now, which is crazy. So I've lost about 107 pounds, which I had no idea was going to be a thing. So I think it's pretty cool. Um, why did I choose weight loss surgery? Well, at the time I had a few people in my life that had undergone weight loss surgery in recent years, and I reached out to them. Um, I saw their results obviously, and then I reached out to them, and then I asked each of them, and they're all from different aspects of my life. So I reached out to them and I said, "Hey, what are your pros and cons? What would you do differently? Would you recommend it?" Every single one of them, and now remember, they're not friends with each other. It wasn't like they had this conversation. Every single one of them said that their only regret was that they hadn't done it sooner. Nobody was, stressed out or upset about small stomach. Like, those were just parts, the challenges that come along with it were just parts of the process. The only regret that each of them said was that they had not done it sooner. So at the time, I was about 47, early 48 when I was really thinking about this. And let's face it, I was not getting any younger. I was not getting any healthier on my own. And I needed to be here for my family and for my children and for my grandchildren and for myself. I needed to be healthy so I could be a part of everyone's life for as long as I possibly could. And I needed to be healthy because my soul and my spirit needed that. I feel like I had spent so much of my life just not quite feeling right in my skin, not completely fulfilling the destiny of who my soul was supposed to be. I know that sounds really hokey and really weird, and I did not script this. I'm just kind of free falling as I'm going here. But I really think that that was a part of it. Was I never quite felt like I was 100% who I was supposed to be. Am I 100% who I'm supposed to be now? Probably not. Am I a lot closer and a lot more satisfied with everything in my soul? Absolutely, definitely. People see it in me. They see the happiness, they see the freedom, they see the comfort in my own skin, and they comment on it in a nice way. It's really exciting to see the changes physically, but also to hear the feedback about the changes that other people see. Um, yeah, so that was kind of really my big motivation was a lot of it was just for myself, and I didn't feel like I was capable of dropping 100 pounds just doing a different program. So so making this decision and and bringing this tool into my life to help me fight the obesity that I had recently, maybe not so recently, come to terms with that I had, this was a huge decision for me. And as soon as I decided to do it, and I said to my spouse, I was like, "Hey, I think I might do weight loss. I'm going to look at a weight loss surgery." And he was like, "What? Oh, okay." Like he wasn't like he wasn't supportive. He is supportive, but he didn't. I think he felt like it was a little drastic too. Now that's me speaking for him. We've actually never really had this in-depth conversation, um, but once I kind of vocalized it and put that out there and started doing the research and got the referral to the Bariatric Medical Institute and met with the doctors there, I was very at peace with this decision. And I was very open about it. I I talked to quite a few close friends, saying that I was thinking about doing it, and they were 99% of the people I spoke to were very supportive, and I felt like that was pretty awesome. Uh, Awesome in a sense that I've surrounded myself with really fantastic people who support me in my decisions, whether it's weight loss surgery or some of the other crazy antics I may not get up to. Um, I have a really great support group, and I am very thankful for them as well because they didn't make me feel like I was crazy or that I had to do this. They just were like, "Cool, that's neat," and that was really awesome for me. Um, Another motivating factor was, and this is always in the back of my head, and not to get too dark and gloomy on it, is my son's father passed away at the early age of 40 unexpectedly from a heart attack. And that was a very jarring moment for us. It's been almost 10 years now. And it was a very, very unexpected. And anyone who's had an unexpected loss understands that that really makes you think about things and think about your life. And then, and my mom passed away in 2021 at a reasonably early age from health issues. She had liver disease, and both of those are things that played in my mind. I would love to still have my mom here. I miss her every single day, and I want to be here for my grandkids and for my children and for my spouse longer than 70 years old. I want to be here forever. Maybe not forever, but you know what I mean. I really need to take care of myself, and I have to make myself a priority. And these were all things that led to my decision. So why did I choose weight loss surgery? Because I was at a point in my life where I felt like I needed to make some drastic changes for my health, for my family, and for my soul. And this seemed like the best path for me. So I went in, and I don't regret it. I don't regret it 1 minute. I mean, I do wish I had done it sooner, but I can still embrace having done it now and move forward in a very positive fashion and share my experience with others who have questions about it. So yeah, it's my why.